Hello and welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to make very tasty white sauce pasta. Let's get started. Add water to it. We have added 2 cups of water. Let the water boil for about a minute. Now we'll add salt, half tablespoon. Cooking oil, half tablespoon. Now we'll add pasta to the boiling water. We have used penny pasta over here. We will boil the pasta for about 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 minutes, we can see pasta is almost cooked. Pasta is boiled now. Let's strain it. Now we have strained all the pasta. Heat the pan again. Add cooking oil 1 tablespoon. Now we will add chopped ginger garlic 1 tablespoon. After cooking for about 1 to 2 minutes, we will add onion. We have taken 1 onion. Now we will add carrot, capsicum, and some mushrooms. Saute it for a while. Add 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Adding salt helps the veggies cook faster. Mix it well so that the salt goes in. The fried veggies are ready. We'll take out the fried veggies in a plate. We'll take the same pan, add cooking oil 1 tablespoon. All-purpose flour 2 tablespoon. Let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now we'll add milk gradually, 1.5 cups. Use the whisk to mix it well. Adding milk gradually. Cook the sauce for about 4 to 5 minutes. It will start getting thicker. Now we'll add some chili flakes, 1 tablespoon, oregano, 1 tablespoon, salt as per taste. Mix it all well together. Adding the fried veggies. Mix it well. Adding pasta to it. Mix it nicely. Adding cheese cream, 1 tablespoon. Mix it well so that the cheese melts properly. It's ready to serve now. So let's start in the serving process. Hot and tasty white sauce pasta is ready. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Adding chili flakes. Adding some oregano as well to enhance the taste. Let's taste the pasta now. It looks yummy. Thank you for watching.